3.
Hello everybody. Today I made a what are you doing? Today I made a masterpiece. Finished the second part today, which took me it take you probably one day in progress, but I made this. It doesn't look very good very well, but Drew does fly very far, kind of. It has a angle of this anyways. But I got this from my cousin, Damien. He's like me. He can be a little bit annoying. Yes, anyways. But he told me that a friend at his school made a glow-in-the-dark paper airplane and it flew. He said, too bad I probably won't be able to make that. Well, BAM! It also has like thunder. But anyways, it actually is pretty easy. But now, the awesomeness throwing. I'll show you how to make this later. Was it good? Oh yeah. Well, everybody.
Do it again.
Do it again. Ah, don't be my age, mosquito bite. Whoops, I did not throw very well. Sometimes I don't throw very well. Next. I can't really. Well, I guess that's actually it. Well, everybody, bye.